This is a video for those who own a third-gen Toyota Tacoma with a 2.7 liter four-cylinder engine that are looking for a catback exhaust system. Most of the exhaust systems require you to cut one of the pipes in it in order to fit the 2.7 liter Tacoma with the 127-inch wheelbase. I purchased a Borla system that technically is for the 3.5 liter, but it will fit the 2.7. I'm going to show you what you need to do. There's no cutting, no drilling that needs to be done. You need to purchase the catback system 140680, and you need to purchase the extension pipe 60593. This pipe is for the 140-inch wheelbase double cab long bed Tacoma. But this pipe is needed for the 2.7 on the 127-inch wheelbase. It'll fit, it'll bolt right in. You're also going to need to order 3 Nickson Rubber Isolator exhaust hangers. And you're going to want item number 16271-1. Those I purchased at O'Reilly Auto Parts. You're also going to want to purchase 2 Walker Rubber Isolator exhaust hangers. And the number on this is 35296. These hangers are longer and have 4 holes in them. You're going to use the first hole on the top, and you're going to use the third hole down on the hanger. Now I'm going to show you what you need to do under the truck to make it work. It's very simple, very easy. The reason I like the Borla is because they use T304 stainless steel. It is the absolute best that you can use. Okay. This first hanger is the one you got to change. This one is on the front of the catalytic converter. This is a Nickson. It's 2 1/4 inches between the holes. That will lower this just low enough, along with the other hangers that you're going to install, to clear this cross member back here. This cross member right here. And the reason, let me move this camera just a little. The reason that you need all these hangers is to lower this so that this pipe does not rest up against this on the 4-cylinder. The 4-cylinder flange stops back well behind this cross member. On the V6, the Y pipe comes just in front, or to the rear actually, of this cross member. So this pipe here would bolt up back here, would connect straight into the muffler. So on the 4-cylinder, you obviously come up short. Just by chance, the amount short is the exact length of this extension pipe that's normally needed on a 140-inch wheelbase long bed double cab V6 Tacoma. So the putting in this pipe is exactly what you need from the distance from here to here, which is now from here to the muffler. Now, as far as the isolators go, this is another Nickson isolator, and this one here is also 2 1/4. There's 3 of these Nickson brands, and you're going to put it on the front of the muffler. The Walkers are going to go on the back of the muffler. Okay, there you see the first Walker one, which is on the left side of the muffler next to the drive shaft. That one there is a 4-hole. You're going to use the first hole and the third hole. Let me set this down for just a moment. Move to the other side over here. On the right side of the muffler, There's your other Walker rubber isolator hanger. And again, you're going to use the first hole and the third hole. These hangers, the 3 on the muffler, the 1 up front by the catalytic converter, are what you need to get the clearance for that cross member. Now I'm going to show you the last Nickson that you're going to use. Set this down here. That's going to be this one right here. And what you're going to do is take off the stock Toyota one, which has 2 little mounting spots on the top, but you only need 1. And you're going to install this Nickson instead to the tailpipe. And this is another 2 1/4 between the holes. Gives you all the clearance you need for that cross member. So that's all you need to do to install a Borla T304 stainless steel catback exhaust system on a 2.7 liter 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma. Mine is the access pad cab, and it's a 127 inch wheelbase. So those are all the parts you need, and that's all you have to do to install it, and everything clears. I've been on bumpy roads. It does not hit anything, the cross member. I've been on some pretty good bumps, and it absolutely does not contact the cross member at all. So I hope this information helps anyone with the 2.7 that's looking for a good quality exhaust system.